Are you still confused about how to log into your 8K IPTV app? Thinking face, don't worry. In this short video, I'll show you step by step how to log into the 8K server inside the 8K IPTV application. Whether you're on Fire Stick, Android TV, or mobile phone, you'll be streaming live channels and movies in no time. Rocket, stay with me till the end, because this is the easiest method you'll ever see. Install the 8K IPTV app. First, make sure the 8K IPTV app is installed on your device. You can get the APK link from your provider. On Fire Stick, use the Downloader app. On Android, just download and install it directly. When you open the app, you'll see a login page asking for username, password, and playlist name. Enter here any name for your playlist, like I'm naming my playlist AJ Souls. Now, enter your username and password exactly as given by your provider. Once done, hit login or connect. The app will now load your live channels, movies, and series. Wait a few seconds and you're ready to stream in HD and 8K quality. And that's it, you've successfully logged into the 8K server on your 8K IPTV app. Party popper, if this helped you, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with friends. Got a problem? Drop your question in the comments, I'll help you out. Happy streaming!